Hello, good day. So today I am discussing about why do computers use binary instead of decimal. Consider the rotary volume knob of a radio or a Bluetooth music player. So there, to fine tune the volume as per your taste, you have to rotate and place it at certain level. Whereas switching on and off, consider a switch where it can be turned on and off. That is easier. So similarly, computers are filled with millions of tiny switches. It's easier to set them on and off. On means one, off means zero. So those two states, if we are using only two states, it can be easily achieved instead of having 10 labels and adjusting your current at certain level to determine it's a 4 or a 6 or something else. So that's why, to simplify the operation, presence of current is 1 and absence of current is 0. So that is why computers use binary, because that is more efficient and that is simpler to implement. Thank you.